If you are asked about the four major festivals of North and Central India, you will make Holi, Diwali, Ganpati, and Navratri in a single breath. But if you go to Kerala during Onam days, you will get to see the fun of Holi, the grandeur of Diwali, the solidarity of Ganpati, and the devotion of Navratri together. Onam is a major annual event for Malayali people in and outside Kerala. It is also a harvest festival and falls on the 22nd Nakshatra Tiruvonam in the Malayalam calendar month of Chingam, which overlap with August and September. Let's we come to know why Onam is celebrated. The significance of the festival is in Hindu legends, of which two are more common. First is Mahabali legend. According to Hindu mythology, Mahabali was the great grandson of sage Kashyap, the great grandson of King Hiranyakashyap, and the grandson of Vishnu devotee Prahlad. Mahabali come to power by defeating demigods or Devta and taking over the three worlds, and then rule based on equality, honesty, and justice. Everybody were healthy, happy, and honest under his rule. According to the Vaishnavism mythology, the defeated Devta approaches to the Vishnu. Vishnu decided to use deception rather than direct confrontation. Here Mahabali, after his victory on the demigods, he declared that he would perform a ritual or yajna and grant anyone any request during this yajna. Vishnu took his fifth avataram of a dwarf monk called Vaman and approached to Mahabali. The king offered anything to the Vaman: gold, cows, elephants, anything. The monk said that he all needed was 3 pieces of land. Mahabali agreed on that. Vaman grew to an enormous size and covered everything Mahabali ruled over in just 2 paces. For the third pace, Mahabali offered his head for Vishnu to step on, an act that Vishnu accepted, an evidence of Mahabali's devotion. Vishnu granted him a boon by which Mahabali could visit again once every year the land and people he previously ruled. This revisit marks the festival of the Onam as a reminder of the virtuous rule and his unity in keeping his promise before Vishnu. The last day of Mahabali's stay is remembered with vegetarian Onsadhya feast. So, according to legends, the festival is celebrated to commemorate King Mahabali, whose spirit is said to visit Kerala at this time of Onam. According to other opinion, where a solar deity is described with power of Vishnu, where Bali is metaphor for thanksgiving offering after rice harvest during monsoon, and the Vishnu is the metaphor of the carol sun and summer that precede the Onam. Second legend is of Parsuram. He is incarnation of Vishnu, who is credited in Hindu mythology to have created the Western Ghat from the southern tip of Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, and up to Maharashtra. He threw his axe to the sea, and whenever it fails, the sea retreated, reclaiming the land of Kerala. The celebration marked the Malayalam New Year are spread over 10 days. The 10 days are sequentially known as Atham, Chithira, Chodhi, Vishakam, Anijam, Thriketa, Moolam, Puramad, Uttradam, and Thirunovam. The first and the last day are particularly important in Kerala and to Malayali community elsewhere. The Atham day is marked with the start of festivities at 8. Vaman Murthy Thrikkakara Temple with the flag hosting ceremony. Thrikkakara Temple is one of the few temples in India dedicated to Lord Vaman. This Vishnu temple is considered as the focal center of Onam and the abode of Mahabali. Onam starts off every year with a parade called Ath Chamyam. The parade features elephant marching, drum beats and other musics, folk art forms, float and colorful dressed people with masks. Let's see what are the other events are there in Onam. One is Pukkallam or flower carpets. The flower carpet made out of the gathered blossoms with several variety of flowers, differing tints pieced up into little pieces to design and decorate pattern on the floor. The Pukkalam is similar to Rangoli in North India, which is made of powder and various colors. Let's have a look on music and dances during Onam. Traditional dance forms including Thiruvaritha, Kummatikali, Pulikali, Thundi Thulal, Onam Kali and many others. All dance forms are wonderful. So first one is Thiruvaritha. Thiruvaritha Kali is a woman's dance performed in a circle around a lamp. Then Kummatikali is a colorful mask dance. The masked dancer go from house to house performing the colorful Kummatikali. Onam Kali is a form of dance where players arrange themselves in circle around a pole or tree or lamp, then dance and sing songs derived from Ramayana and other epics. And most famous Kathakali is a dance which is commonly performed during this time. The dancer perform mythological legends. Pulikali is a tiger dance. This dance showcases performance painted like tiger in bright yellow, red and black colors. Theyyam is performances of ritual worship dance. Theyyam are given during the Onam season. There are about 456 types of Theyyams, among which 112 are famous. Vishnu Murthy Theyyam, Muthappan Theyyam, Thi Chamundi Theyyam are the most common. Thi Chamundi Theyyam is most dangerous, which is playing in fire. The Vallam Kali or the snake boat race is another event that is synonym with Onam. Numerous oarsmen row huge snake-shaped boats. Men and women come from far and near to watch and cheer the snake boat race through the water. This event is particularly featured on the Pampa river, considered holy river like Ganga in Kerala. Onam Sadhya or Onam feast is another inseparable part of Thiruvonam. The most every Kerala's attempt to either make or attend this. The Onam Sadhya reflects the spirit of the season and is traditionally made with seasonal vegetables such as yam, cucumber and asgard, etc. The feast is served on plantain leaves and consists of nice course, banana chips, sakar veti, papadam, sambar, dal. These are served along with small quantity of ghee. The curries are served with rice. Usually the Keral matta boiled rice is preferred in Kerala. The importance of the feast to the Kerala's Onam celebration culture is captured in one famous Malayalam proverb. One must have the Onam lunch even by selling one's property if need be. Normally, the largest chunk of Onam celebration end by Thiruvonam. However, the 2 days following Thiruvonam are also celebrated as third and fourth Onam. The third Onam, called Avithom, marked the preparation for the king's Mahabali return to heavens. The main ritual of that day is to take on a Thapan statue which was placed in the middle of every Pukalam during the past 10 days and immerse it in nearby river or sea. The Pukalam will be cleaned and removed after this ritual, and that's how Onam celebration has been completed. Please have a like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more Hindu rituals. Also give your comments in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind.